What we got on our package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out online. Again, Venture Surplus. They have a large variety of items. And let's go ahead and open this up. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's get an opening tool. Let's see how this is packaged here. Looks like something split there. Use reinforced tape. Let's carefully open this. Alrighty. Let's see how they package this and if there's a manifest or not. Looks like we start off with some paper on top, put it on the side. So typical brown paper from a roll. You can use that for drawing or targets later. Looks like they included a little sticker, Venture Surplus, and a little sticker manifest. Alright, so venturesurplus.com. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's set this stuff aside so I can put it in the box. Get this out of the way, no distractions. Get some of this fluff out of the way. Alright, so let's just start with the smallest item first. They did wrap it in bubble wrap. So now I'm going to have to figure out how to take this out of here. Oh, it's adhesive bubble wrap. Interesting. Oh, it's a bag. Doy? I can figure that. Oh, there we go. Check that out. Alright, so this is a Usgi Norotos Titanium Rhino Mount 2 New Black PA condition. Okay, that's their coating. So this is basically a helmet mount for devices. And I do believe this uses the bayonet lug style attachment. And this would go on to your helmet there through the square mount. And I'm not gonna. Okay, and let's see if I remember how these work. It's been a while. Yeah, so these are positional, the levers, and I do believe this should be able to swing out of the way. I'm going to have to figure that out on my own time. Might be another switch somewhere. Oh, there we go. It's just stiff. A little loose. Oh, there we go. And it clicks into place. Very nice. And it locks. And then, it's because it's not on the helmet, so I don't have enough leverage. But you can hear that very secure click as it detents into position. And then this can control the finer angle. Like so. And I do believe this then will, if I loosen this, can slide up and down as well to position whatever device you have attached to this. So it has some fine adjustment points there. So again, Usgi Norotos Rhino Mount 2. Set that aside, and you can see the logo there, Norotos. Trade secret, confidential property, cage code. This is from October 20, so manufactured last year. And then we got a couple items. Each of them are individually bagged. Very nice. So I'll get this off of here. Right, so this are some Trousers. These are USGI Desert Night Camo Trousers. Used, medium regular, PA condition. They may be used, but they sure feel new to me. Quite stiff, the fabric. It looks like right off we got a drawstring here. These should be overpants. We got a label. Medium regular. Let's see. Contractor Francis E. Hayolt Company. Manufacturer GD. So, laundry care instructions. Like Velcro fly on this case. No internal pockets or anything like that. So if you look at the pockets on the outside, Velcro. And they basically, you just kind of reach into there to reach into your actual pockets. Should be similar on this side, so they are symmetrical there. We turn them over real quick to the back. Single Velcro square back pockets, no bellows, symmetrical on each side. Looks like the color pattern is quite uniform, so it's very nice. Go down, no reinforcement in the knee area. It is one solid piece, although there is a little bit of bellows right here at the knee for expansion and contract and to taper the lower calf area. And we have drawstrings at the bottom. And there's our hem. Very nice. Similar on the other side, of course. So they may be used, but they sure seem new to me. So maybe that's how they list them online. They may be listed as used because they may have some used ones in stock. So it looks like I got a new one. Pretty cool. Alright, so then USGI Night Camo Trousers. Let's go on to the next item here. Okay, bag. These have a tag on them. Size, barcode. Yep. Interesting. These are A&A Afghan combat pants, Hyperstealth Camo, medium regular, new. So, let's take a good look at these. Button at the top, drawstring as well. Looks like button fly. Let's count the buttons just for kicks there. Looks like there is a bit of a taper on the buttoning there. So it starts close to the seam at the bottom and it works their way out. Interesting. Medium regular, there's our sizing info, NSN number. Here's our label. Pants, Afghanistan, National Army, contract number, fiber content, contractor name has been scratched out. Lot number and use and care. So let's take a look at these here. Slash pockets, left and right. Pretty normal sized belt loops. Let's count them off. 2 in the front, 2 kind of at the rear hips, 2 more towards the back, and then 1 right up in the middle right there. We'll work our way down. We got cargo pockets. Oh wow, look at the size of those flaps. Those are big. 2 buttons that's very closer to the ends. And you can see I can fit 2 hands into this pocket. Very large pockets. Bellows, I mean 2 bellows in the middle, nothing on the sides. Kind of a reinforced knee, and then we have these calf pockets at the bottom. 2 Velcro, 1 solid Velcro soft side there, and no bellows. Oh no, correction. Slight bellows on the side, corners, bottom, and one drain hole, and notice that it is sewn on this side of the corner, the one that's closer to your inside of your leg. Similarly, the other side cargo pocket, big, 2 buttons, bellows. Well, there's side bellows as well, so I stand corrected. It's flush, closer on the inside of the leg, bellows on the outside of the leg. Same with this one up here. Okay, so we're symmetrical, and we do have kind of the calf pocket as well. Below the knee, drawstrings at the ends, and there's our hem. Let's flip it over, take a look at the back side. 2 pockets in the back. They are buttons, 2 buttons on each. Reinforced bottom area. There's our arc. And that's about it. Pretty cool. So you can see that little small pocket is in line with the seam. Down the side of the pant leg, in line with the big cargo pocket. So again, working our way backwards, ANA, Afghan National Army, Afghan Combat Pants, Hyperstealth Camo, new condition. We have the USGI Desert Night Camo Trousers. And we started off with the USGI Norotos Titanium Rhino Mount 2. And this is black coated. So this all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out online. I believe it's venturesurplus.com. Large variety of items, as you can see. Some interesting stuff that I picked out this time in this unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tool type items. We also do selection of book review, media reviews, as well as a series of curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those videos out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.